flawless undercut makeover. This is such a pretty style, definitely a classic undercut look. Westa's hair did an amazing job. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have a bride on her wedding day. She wanted to make a major hair change on her big day, and surprisingly, believe it or not, I have been seeing this a lot on TikTok. And brides just get this big idea to go ahead and cut their hair on their wedding day. So that is exactly what the stylist is doing. Now she doesn't go too short here. She gets a nice little classic shoulder length bob style, much like the first video clip. Very nice. Now if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured in today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have another major hair change. She has long tailbone length hair. Looks like she's doing more of the layered hair trend here. Curtain face framing bangs. Flawless. I like the little tassel texture the stylist did. Beautiful. And as you guys know, if you already follow this channel, layers definitely is going to add some volume and overall shape to your hair. So it is a great subtle hair change that you can do if you're just looking to shake things up without doing anything too drastic or dramatic. Next up, we have someone in for a cut refresh. Looks like she decided to go way shorter with this one. Oh, look at this pixie. I like the fact that this one features like the longer hair on the sides by the sideburns. That is such a cute little style. Love the choppy layer look. Next up, we have another transformation from Westa's hair. It's like she's going purple. Oh, this is quite a drastic makeover idea. So the color is there on the hair. Oh, wow. I love the dimension within this purple. This is absolutely gorgeous. Such a beautiful hairstyle. Wow, very nice. And then here we have someone with mid-length hair. Stylist places the hair in the ponytails, and ooh, she is going short. So it looks like she is getting a pixie with bangs. Going very classic here, very nice. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.